Hello and welcome to this new video. Let's see what's in the box of this digital padlock. We will find, of course, the padlock, a micro USB charging cable, and an instruction manual. Let's see the features of the padlock. There's the lock shackle, made in steel, the logo area on the body, the micro USB charging port, covered by a lid, and the keypad with the status LED lights and the hash confirm key. At first operation, the default admin password is 012345, followed by the hash key. Blue LEDs confirm the correct operation. At the first operation, the default user password is 0000, followed always by the hash. To change the admin password, press hash, then 1, and then the original admin password, followed by the hash key. The green LED will blink slower. Insert now the new admin password for 2 times, followed each time by the hash key. In our case, the new password is 121212. The green LEDs will confirm the operation. Check now the correct registration of the new admin password. To change the user password, press the hash key, then 0, and then the original user password, followed by the hash key. The green LEDs will blink slowly. Insert the new user password, in our case is 6666, for 2 times, followed each time by the hash key. Check the correct registration of the new user password. To increase the safety, you can choose between 2 modes, single or double key. The default is single key and uses only 1 password. To change these and use 2 passwords to open the lock, press hash 3, hash, the admin password, hash, and then press 1 and the hash key. Now we must insert 2 user passwords to open the lock. Both are the default one, 0000 and 1111, always followed by the hash key. Now we have to change both user password. Press the hash key 0, hash, then the original user password and the new one twice, always followed by the hash key. Let's try now. Insert the first password, then hit the hash key, then insert the second password, followed again by the hash key. Let's go back to the standard single password. You can hit the hash key, 3, hash, admin password, hash, 0, and the hash again. We can now open the lock with the 1 user password. Be careful, each time you switch between single and double key, the user password is reset to default. We are now setting back our user password to 6666. Hash 0, hash, original password, hash, new password, hash. Another feature is the anti-peeping password. You can insert any number, just with the original password in the middle. Hash 4, hash, admin password, hash 0, and hash again. You can press any button, but in the middle you must hide the actual password, followed by the hash key, as usual. In this example, we are pressing 45, 6666, 10, and the lock opens, as 6666 is our password, right in the middle. Let's go back to normal mode with hash 4, hash, admin password, hash 1, and hash again. see that our user password 6666 opens the lock again. To charge the lock, open the lid and insert any micro USB cable. You can use any 5V DC charger or any power bank. The red light will be on continuously during charging and will turn off when fully charged. A full recharge takes about 2 hours. Another safety feature is the locking mode. When the password is input incorrectly, the red light will flash twice. After 5 consecutive incorrect inputs, the electronic lock will be locked for 3 minutes. During this 3 minutes lock, the red light will flash. After 3 minutes, the lock will be automatically unlocked. You can enter the administrator password preceded and followed by the hash key to cancel the lock. You can then enter the user password to unlock. To reset the lock, you may input hash key 5# and then the green light will flash quickly. You now must input the admin password followed by the hash twice, and the lock will open. The lock will be successfully reset now. All the passwords are back to their defaults. Thank you.